Hello everyone, welcome back. So, a couple weeks ago I didn't own any cordless chainsaws. Now I have two. So let me just do a quick disclosure. I did receive this chainsaw absolutely free of charge, okay, for a unbiased, honest review. So in the link in the description is going to be a link to the Amazon site, which if you go to, I'm going to have a promo code, which is going to knock almost half off the price. It's an absolutely awesome promo code. But I'm not getting any type of affiliate, kickback or anything like that. I chose not to do that. If you choose to buy it, it's on you. I'm kind of out of it, okay? But I did receive this free of charge. There's going to be a link to the company too. And there's going to be a link in there, I believe, to their Facebook page. So definitely check it out. So the name again is Sainlogic Mini Electric Chainsaw, 6-inch portable electric chainsaw. Okay. Now another cool feature is it's brushless. Okay. For those of you that don't know what that is, basically older motors would have brushes that would run against the stator. And over time they could wear out. Okay, so the newer tools now are all brushless. So again, 6-inch bar, 21 volt. Let's take a look at it. I have not even opened it yet. Nice. All right, so we have instruction manual, which is always good to check out, a warranty card, activate in 14 days and get a 1-year free extension. Well, that's nice. Aha. And we have the saw, very, very cool. We have an extra chain, which is very, very awesome. A pair of safety goggles, a pair of gloves, which look a little small, but let's see if they stretch onto my hand. Oh, actually they do. Not a perfect fit, but I got some big hands, so that's pretty cool. 2 batteries. Max life, let's see, does it have I don't see an indicator to tell you if they're fully charged. I like that feature, but it's missing that. Alright, we got a little tiny bottle of chain oil, second battery, and a charger. Alright, cool beans. Let's check out this saw. So we have a safety button here, so you have to hit that to pull the trigger. Okay. We have here, I believe this is going to, yes, so this adjusts. That's a pretty cool feature. And it does have an oiler on it. So we're going to fill that up with oil. I like that feature. And then you have your bulb here, which you're going to press down to feed oil to the chain. Okay, let's see. Chain's in nice and tight. And you have your guard here, which goes totally out of the way. And to replace or work on it or clean it, you're going to pull this off, which I do like this. You don't need any tools. And this will come off, and there's your gear and your chain. Let's get this back on. Line everything back up. And this is going to be to adjust. Let's see, do I have it in the holes? I think I missed the holes. Yeah, this will adjust the tension. Make sure I got everything lined back up. There you go. I popped the chain off the bar there. Let me loosen it up and see if I can get it back on without taking it apart. That looks good. Very cool. So now, even before I try the batteries, what I'm going to do is fill it up with oil, and then I'm going to make sure the batteries are charged, and we'll come back here before we use it. All right, so I had the battery plugged in. If you look right here, there's an LED. This will be red while it's charging and green when it's fully charged. And they say about 2 hours to charge the battery, okay? I do wish that it had some kind of indicator on it, because that would be useful. Again, full disclosure, I opened up the oil and it's empty. But I'll be totally honest with you, just like the other chainsaw, this little bottle of oil is useless. I have some bar oil here, and as you can see, I used pretty much half of this, which wouldn't even, would probably be twice as much as was in here to fill a reservoir. So this is it's a non-issue as far as I'm concerned. But as you can see now, the bulb has oil in it, okay? So let's nice. Woo, threw some oil all over the place. Let me nice. Good. So we got oil coming out. As you can see, it's splattering all over. Let me pop this out for a minute. Let me check the chain. Okay, chain didn't get loose. That's a good sign. All right, so let's I do like this feature, I'll tell you. That's pretty cool. So if I'm reaching up very high, I can kind of come down on it versus having to try to maneuver my hand this way. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to leave it in this position. I'm going to go set up my son's GoPro, and we're going to test this puppy out. All right, so I'm like a total amateur with this GoPro. Hopefully I'm in frame. Whoa. Okay, that just destroyed that. I love it. Nice. Beautiful. Wow, that made short work of that. All right, let me go do some live oak. Wow, I'm digging it. Wow, it makes short work of it. Let's see if I can get some more. nice big one. Oh yeah. Man, it ate through that like it was butter. Nice. Woo! That's great. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, let me go back to the table. Hopefully I'm still recording. And we'll do a wrap-up. Right, so let's do a wrap-up. I'll tell you what. Again, I am impressed. It cut the palm, no problem. It chewed up that live oak like it was butter. Totally impressed. I love it. It's lightweight. I like that I can switch this angle here. Okay. And I love that it has oil reservoir in it. Okay, so now there are two issues I had. Number one, this bottle obviously is too small, okay, but when I opened this one, it was empty, right? So not a big deal though, because I have a big old bottle of chain bar oil, and I'll just keep this filled and keep this with it, okay? But the reservoir should last. And the other thing that I consider a con is you do not know if your batteries are charged, okay? There's no indicator on here as far as I could see. You know what? I wonder if that, I might have missed something. Let's see. Oh, wait, there it is. Look at that. There's your charging right down there. I don't know if you could see that. It says 100%. And you see in the back, oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so really, it's just the oil. Let's see if this other one, how charged it is. That's 100% also. Well, there you go, folks. So that's pretty cool. I considered that a major flaw that you couldn't tell if the batteries were charged. But yeah, for some reason it just hit me that there was an LED there. So I'll tell you, for the value for this thing, it's well worth the money. You got a 6-inch, chain, a 6-inch bar with chain. You got an extra chain. You got the gloves. You got the safety glasses. You got the hard case. You don't need any tools. Again, that's an advantage. So we'll wrap it up with, don't forget to check the promo code that's in the description. It's going to give a massive discount. I believe when I originally checked it, it was close to 50% off. Now, the representative from the company told me that they don't keep those promo codes active for very long. So if you want to buy one of these, and again, I do not make anything off of the sales of these. I got this for free, and I'm doing an honest review on it. But if you do want one and you go online to Amazon in the link below and use the promo code, and for some reason it doesn't work, reach out to me. My email is on my About page, and I'll contact the representative from Sainlogic, and they'll reactivate the promo code. I don't know how long they'll do that for me for, but I thought it was an awesome thing. So there you have it, the 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw by Sainlogic. And yeah, this thing works absolutely fantastic. I can highly recommend it. Now down the road, I'm going to keep using this, and maybe I'll do a comparison between the two that I have. But I totally wanted this to just be, on its own. This reminds me of a nice sword guard. So again, take care of your tools. Clean it up after you're done. Make sure you're using the oil. What else? And wear your safety protection when you're using any kind of tools like this. And that's why they actually give it to you, so you don't have an excuse. Now this is still in the bag because I have my own glasses that I wear. So, that being said, I want to thank you all for coming along. You know I'm going to say it. I'm sending you all much, much love and appreciation, my brothers and sisters. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope if you're in the market for a mini compact chainsaw, you go check them out on the links below. Thanks for coming along. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one.